Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Nadia Rajput from Desi TV USA. Let's have a look at the headlines. Trump criticizes European allies in the UN speech. Your countries are going to hell. India to hold biggest drone exercise. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif met US President Donald Trump at the Arab Islamic Summit in New York. Let's look into details. President Donald Trump addressed the United Nations General Assembly on Tuesday, the 80th anniversary of the body. The president criticized European allies over green energy, immigration, and other issues. Mr. Trump also bashed the UN as a whole, asking, "What is the purpose of the United Nations?" Mr. Donald Trump said in a social media post after meeting with Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky that he believes Ukraine can win back all its territory from Russia in its original form with support from Europe. After several key Western allies of the United States announced before the UN General Assembly meeting that they would recognize a Palestinian state, Mr. Donald Trump said that would embolden Hamas. The rewards would be too great, Mr. Donald Trump said, adding instead of giving in to Hamas ransom demands, those who want peace should be united with one message: release the hostages now. India's military will test drone and counter-drone system next month in a major exercise to toughen its air defenses, a senior officer said on Tuesday, months after a conflict with Pakistan saw the large-scale use of unmanned aerial system. The Indian military will hold exercise Cold Star, its biggest ever drone war games, in the first week of October in the presence of defense industry officials and researchers, said Air Marshal Deputy Chief of the Integrated Defense Staff. "We will be testing some of our drones and counter-drone systems during this exercise so what we can make our air defense system and counter UAS completely robust," he said. An Indian official described it as the bigger such domestic exercise since the Pakistan conflict, and it would involve recreating some of the drone warfare that took place in May. Donald Trump exchanged. As per details, the two leaders held an informal meeting with pleasant exchange of greetings. A warm handshake and a candid conversation marked the meeting. Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister Ishaq Dar was also present on the occasion. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif attended the Arab Islamic Summit hosted by US President Donald Trump and the Emir of Qatar, Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani. Ahead of the meeting, the Prime Minister also held meetings with the Emir of Qatar, Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani, King Abdullah II of Jordan, and Indonesian President. The meetings were marked by the warm handshakes, informal and candid conversations, and meaningful exchanges among the world leaders. That's all for now. Keep watching Desi TV USA. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And don't forget to watch our channels DTV NN and Desi Urdu TV.
Neurological care is a pressing healthcare challenge in Pakistan. That's why Helping Hand USA is building Kind R, a world-class hospital with 130 plus clinics that is set to establish new standards for neurological care in Pakistan. As the first phase nears completion, anticipation is growing for the launch in the second half of 2025. Give zakat and sadaqah through Helping Hand USA today and join this historic endeavor to redefine future healthcare in Pakistan.